boys and girls, do you want to go to the farm with me? It's a lot of fun. The sign for farm is like this. Farm. Let's see what animals live on that farm. Are you ready? Cow. Get your fingers like this, your thumb and your pinky. Cow. Cow lives on the farm. And what does a cow say? You're right. Moo. Cow. This is a horse. Get your 3 fingers and 3 fingers here. Horse. And you make your fingers wiggle like the ears. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Put your arm out like this and you get your fingers like you're cutting the hair. Like this. Bah. Sheep. Sheep. They cut all that off for wool. Sheep. Get the scissors. Sheep. You try. Arm out. Sheep. Good job. We have a duck, and you're going to get your hand like its beak. Duck. Quack, quack. Duck. Duck. You try. Ready? Hand up. And like this. Quack, quack. Oh, let's see. Which one I'm going to sign, and you have to guess it. Are you ready? Sheep, and then we have duck. Which one? You're right, it is the duck. Quack, quack. And can you sign sheep for me? Good job. Oh, what is that? It's a dog. You tap your side and snap as if you're calling the dog. Hit and snap. Hit and snap. What is that? Cat. Do you have a cat? Get your fingers like the whiskers. Cat. Cat. You try. Ready? Cat. Meow. Chicken. Get your 2 fingers. Chicken. Like it's eating chicken. Chicken. Rabbit. Get your fingers and cross your hands. This is tricky. And you go like this. Try again. Okay? Cross your hands, link your thumbs, and do this. That's a rabbit. And these are its ears. Rabbit. Okay, I'm going to sign horse or cow, and you have to guess which one. Are you ready? You are right. That is the cow. Now you sign horse. Horse. I like the way you're paying attention. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, you ready? We have cat and we have dog. Ready? Which one? You're right. It is the cat. And the cat has long whiskers. Cat. You try. Cat. Now sign dog. There you go. Dog. Oh, how did this happen? Where did that pig come from? Pig. And we have chicken. My slides got mixed up. Let's do pig. Pig. And we have chicken. Chicken. You want to try to sign pig? Get your hand. Pig. Pig. Okay. Which one? Which animal is that? You're right. It is my chicken. Chicken. And you sign pig for me. pig. Good job. Oh my goodness, now we have a goat and we have a rabbit. Again, my slides got all mixed up. I don't know what happened, but we have goat. 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 That's a hard one. Tap your chin and then your head and then go out. Goat and rabbit. I'm going to sign one. Did you guess it? Rabbit. You are right. Rabbit. And let's try goat again. 2 fingers, touch your chin and then your head and go out. Goat. Goat. Well, today we are finished with our farm animals. Did you like going to the farm with me? Oh, we were just pretending. You are right. We didn't really go to the farm. Well, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.